Software starts with our Start wizard. The wizard allows you to load one of our example projects. It also shows buttons to run our building wizard and a direct link to training videos. Building wizard allows you to create a simple building structure with floors, exterior walls, and a roof. If your floor plan doesn't fit to our basic templates, just switch the wizard off and begin with a new project from scratch. Click on the New button creates a new project, a fast 2D view and a new building with a ground floor. Additional views can be created with a click on 2D or 3D. Ribbon bar contains all tools thematically sorted. File menu behind the green arrow button in the upper left corner contains import and export functions, language and user interface selection and general settings. Example for general settings are units. Select your preferred units from the list and save your settings as default for further sessions. On the right you see our toolbox with project viewer and catalogs. Catalog contains 3D objects, textures, materials, 2D symbols, and groups. Navigate through the catalog like a directory structure. New floors are created by copying.